social media fam. I am Sampriti Roy and you are watching me on my channel Girl with a Mole. So today I am going to talk about why is it important to post more number of stories on your Instagram ID. So I am trying this for last couple of months, like more than 2 to 3 months now, and I never realized, but when I analyzed it, so I realized that it's not always about quality. Yeah, more beautiful stories make people watch them for a larger period of time, but it's about quantity. If I was posting one or two stories, only a few friends of mine were viewing it. But if my stories contained video clips, like we share them from TikTok or WhatsApp videos, anything like that, or anyone's IGTV, so it's like playing for 15 to 30 seconds in our story, and that is creating more engagement, and people tend to watch what's happening next, what's happening next. So when this was increasing the number of stories in my Insta ID, and what happened was Instagram's algorithm works to push your stories to as many audience as possible. This is actually happening because whenever you will start with content creation and you will start with posting content on any social media, people will always suggest you to post minimum 5 to 6 content on a daily basis. So this is only to play with that platform and to trick them that yes, we are super active individuals, and show this to maximum amount of people in my following list or followers list, and people who are relevant to my niche. So how do we play with stories now? So now you can play those elements, like first is location. You can use the location element in your story so that people who are living in that area can see that story. Second thing is hashtags. Use relevant hashtags. Effective number is 3 to 5 and relevant to your niche and the story that you are putting up. So this helps you to gain more visibility from people who are from that particular niche or are searching for those kind of content. And the third tricky element is using the poll button or action calling button. Now DM button is there, then ask me anything is there. So use those kind. And if you want people to stay on your image post for a longer period of time, then use the music element. So these are the most innovative elements that are found in Instagram stories that can be used. And when you will go to Play Store, there are a large number of apps that are available to decorate your story so that people will pause and watch it for a longer period of time. So basically, the more number of stories you post, the more audience it will reach. The more that audience is spending time on your post is again triggering Instagram to show it to another large number of audience. So I hope you got my point and why it is important to post more stories, and I'll see you in my next tip of the day. Bye bye.